Hey guys, welcome back to A&H Outdoors. This video I'll be working on today is I'm going to put tennis balls in our dirt bike tire. This is Bennett's 110 dirt bike. He's going to be riding it with the tennis balls in it. We're going to take the tire off, take everything off. The main reason I'm doing this, we keep busting tubes. I've paid two different mechanics to put in 2 tubes, and they just keep busting. And I've put in tubes and I keep pinching them, but the mechanics that put the tubes in, they keep busting. So I'm tired of that. We're gonna put the tennis balls in. They're just cheap tennis balls from Walmart. We're gonna put those in, and we're going to see if they work as good as a tube. All right, first thing we're gonna do is get this tire off here. Get that tire off. Oh, get something up for us, man. We got the tire off, got all the parts. All right, so take this tire off and get this. The coming off part is the easy part. It's the going on that's hard. No problem. Now we gotta get this old tube out, which is not gonna be super easy. There was our problem. That's why the tube busted. I guess the valve stem ripped off. After a lot of struggle, a lot of pulling, we got this out. Again, tube. All right, now we got to get the tennis balls in, and it doesn't look like it's going to be that hard to get them in. We're going to just stick them right in there. Let's get this one and just see if it fits. So here's the first tennis ball. We'll stick it in there. It looks like it's going to fit. That's going to fit pretty good, it looks like. So we'll try to stick all those in there. One thing that I did get that you need to do with these is they need some kind of lube on them. Some kind of lube on them. So you got to have some kind of grease or oil or something. That's what the Moose tires, the Moose inner things always have. Otherwise it builds up too much heat. So we got to get some kind of oil or grease on it, and we're going to do that before we do anything else. All right, here we go. We're going to start off by putting the balls in. We're going to get a little lube on them, a little oil. We're going to slide them down in there. Looks like they're fitting pretty good so far. Can we get them tight? That's 2, 3, 4. Sorry about all the noise. Today's a rainy day down here, but it does give us an opportunity to try something and see if it works, since we can't do anything else today. Right, Bennett? Right, Bennett?
Yeah.
All right, right now it looks like they're a little fat, but we'll see. We got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Again, this is the rear tire for a Honda 110. And we got 3, 6, we got 10 in so far. 10 tennis balls. A lot cheaper than that Moose balls, or the Moose airless tire. So we're gonna keep doing this. How many we got in now, Bennett? 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12. We got 12 so far. These tennis balls only cost about $9. The tube costs about $20. And then, if you can get somebody to put it in, it's gonna cost about $30 to $35. We got enough room for one more ball. That'll give us 16. Huh? All right, so now we got 16 balls in. All right, now we gotta get them on there. So let's get them mashed down and see if they'll get on. Not super easy getting it onto the bead, or getting it on. Oh, there we go.
Alright, pause it for a minute.
Alright, since I have no fear of pinching the tube, I went ahead and grabbed some screwdrivers. I've used them in the past, in a previous life, but I've always pinched tubes with them. So I went ahead and grabbed them so I can help hold this rim in.
Let's start this again. Yeah. There we go. Put your foot right there. Just hold it easy. There you go. Right. There we go. Now,
Got it on. I had to use Bennett's foot, but we got it. Looks good. It bounces. Feels pretty stiff. I'm excited about that. We're gonna put it on the back on the tire, on the bike, and then we'll have to pick another day for Bennett to ride because it is too wet.